Being an Ilonggo, sir, nga gin-recognize subong nga gabi, anong mahambal nimo sa mga taga-syudad sa Iloilo?
Well, I'm really proud, no, nga gin-honor nila ako subong as an outstanding lifetime achievement awardee. Kay tungod nga diri ko nagdako sa Iloilo. Diri man sa Iloilo where I got my first affinity sa music, love for music. I was a DJ, did you know that? 13 anyos pa lang ko. I've always had my heart in the city. And so, I always believe that music is God's gift to me. And what I do with that music is my gift back to God. And how special nga after 58 years as a recording artist, God gave me the blessing of the song Christmas in Our Hearts, which has become a perennial favorite. Imagine, 33 years old na. And it's loved by all Filipinos, young and old alike, all over the country. So it's really indeed a blessing, and I'm always grateful to God for His gift of life, His gift of family, His gift of music.
Aside sa kay Jesus, pag-abot niya sa kalibutan sa Christmas, isa man nga ginakabig nga icon ang ikaw kagang imo nga kanta for that event or for that season. Anong mahambal mo nga gina-recognize ikaw aside sa imo talent sa pagkanta, but for that song kag sa mga Christmas carols nga na-produce nimo, sir?
Yeah. Well, the Christmas carols that I've composed and released, will be my lasting legacy. No? Nga long after I'm gone, I hope that people will remember my songs, my Christmas carols. Not necessarily remember Jose Marichan, but the Christmas carols. In fact, ginasunlugan nila ko kung silang niya ang ngalan ko kuno si Santa Claus.
Tapos may mga ara pa na sa mga social media nga ginagapos ikaw, ginabutangan sang busal ang baba mo.
Ambot kung sino sila nag-aubra ng mga memes, no? And I really don't know. Pero in a way, it promotes my being a recording singer and artist. Yeah.
Okay. Basi may gusto ikaw ibilin nga message sa mga listeners ng Bombo Radyo. Can you say sa mga listeners ng Bombo Radyo
Okay.
Star FM?
To the listeners of Bombo Radio, continue to stay tuned to Bombo Radio for your source of information and your source of music.